Hi, hello, welcome to this Autocad beginner tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to draw a simple floor plan step by step. And let's get started. First step, setting up the workspace. Let's set up our workspace and go to the bottom right corner and make sure auto mode and object snap are turned on. This will help you draw straight lines and accurate points. Now, step 2, creating the outer boundary of your land, or we can create a outer boundary and let's mark it as a red color, and we can create the outer boundary walls of the building, and it's a tool called chamfer. We can adjust the corners and we can now create the walls with the offset tool. And now we can plan a simple floor. First beginning sit out and bedrooms and attached bathrooms, and trimming all the unwanted lines. And now we can add some furnitures, bedrooms, bathroom, sanitaryware, extra as per your need. And we can use the tool mirror command or the rotate command for adjusting the position of the furnitures and sanitaryware. And let's fix all the furnitures in the positions in the floor plan. And I forgot one thing, every tool has short keys, and we can not only clicking on the line tool, it's easy to type L and press enter, we can draw the lines. And likewise, every tool has drawn like that, like offset we can enter O, enter, and M for move like that, and copy extra. Using the line or offset command to create rooms or inside inner walls, etc., and make sure the walls meet perfectly at the corners, and we can adjust or we can change the corners with a chamfer or fillet or the trim and extend commands. You can add furnitures from the block, or you can create furnitures as per your wish. And if you want to add doors and windows, you can add the blocks, or you can create with lines. I'm adding with lines here and marking with blue for indication. And for the windows, I'm using the offset command again and creating a small gap on the walls where the window will be placed, and use lines to represent the window frame. And we can copy select for each rooms like this, and ventilations too. And now we can add some touch-ups, like we can add an hatch tool to represent the walls, the cutting walls. Here you see that I'm marking with a gray solid color for all the walls except the windows. And yeah, in the final step we can add the dimensions. Type dim or select the dimension and select the walls you want to measure. This helps to keep the plan accurate and easy to read. And we can adjust the dimension styles, the text height and the colors and the arrow size extra. and I'm suppressing the extended lines and adjusting all the things I want and setting as current. Yeah, well, I am dimensioning all the setbacks from the boundary to the our outer wall. Now our final step, adding text and room names. To label your rooms, use the text tool. There's a multi-line text. Type the name of each room, such as the living room, kitchen, bedrooms, etc., and also the dimensions of each rooms, and it looks clean and accurate, and it should be very readable. Here I'm firstly marking the room's dimensions, and lately I can put the dimensions in the letters. Now let's check it out. Zoom out and check your drawing. Remove any unwanted lines using the trim command. And here we go. So thanks for watching and subscribe for new videos and tips.
Bye bye.